How to start an online business for beginners. When starting a small business online, there is a proven sequence of steps you may follow to ensure your success. Thousands of people have started and grown successful businesses by the steps you're about to follow. Number 1. Start a business that solves a problem. The majority of people who are just getting started make the mistake of looking for a product first, then a market. Start with the market to increase your chances of success. The key is to discover a group of people who are looking for a solution to an issue but are having trouble finding one. This type of market research is simple. Look at the internet forums to observe what questions people are asking and what issues they are trying to solve. Use keyword research to identify terms that are commonly searched but have little competition from other websites. Examine your possible competitors by visiting their websites and observing what they're doing to meet the need. Then you may apply what you've learned to design a product for an existing market that's better than the competition. Number 2. Write persuasive copy. From the minute they arrive to the moment they complete a purchase, there is a proven sales copy formula that guides visitors through the selling process. With a good title, you can pique people's interest, describe how your product solves an issue, establish your credibility as a problem solver, include feedback from customers who have utilized your product, discuss the product and how it helps the user, make a proposal, make a firm commitment, create a sense of urgency, and inquire about the sale. Focus on how your product or service is uniquely able to solve people's issues or improve their lives throughout your copy. Ask yourself, what's in it for me? As if you were a customer. Number 3. Create a website design and build it. You're ready for your small business web design now that you've nailed down your market and product, as well as your selling procedure. Always remember to keep things simple. You have less than 5 seconds to capture someone's attention. If you don't, they'll vanish, never to be seen again. Here are a few pointers to bear in mind. On a white background, use 1 or 2 plain fonts. Make your navigation obvious and consistent across all pages. Use visuals, audio, and video only if they help to convey your message. Include a sign-up offer to collect email addresses. Make purchasing simple. There should be no more than 2 clicks between a potential buyer and the checkout page. Make your website user-friendly because it is your online storefront. Use search engines to attract qualified shoppers to your website. Pay-per-click advertising is the most cost-effective approach to drive traffic to a new website. It offers 2 benefits over waiting for organic traffic to come to you. First, PPC advertisements appear rapidly on search result pages. And second, PPC advertising allow you to test different keywords, headlines, prices, and selling strategies. You may utilize PPC advertisements to identify your best, highest converting keywords as well as receive quick traffic. Then you may use the keywords across your site, in both copy and code, to improve your organic search results ranks. Number 5. Make a name for yourself as an expert. The internet is used by people to find information. You'll get more visitors and higher search engine results if you give that material away for free to other websites. The key is to provide a link to your website with every piece of information. Provide expert content for free. Create articles, movies, or any other type of content that will be beneficial to others. Use online article directories or social media networks to distribute your material. Include send to a friend links on your website's important material. Join industry forums and social networking sites where your target market hangs out and become an active expert. You'll be able to reach out to new people. Furthermore, Every site that publishes your content will include a link back to your site. Links from relevant sites are valued by search engines, and you'll be rewarded in their rankings. Number 6. Use email marketing to convert visitors into customers. When you establish an opt-in list, you're establishing one of your internet business's most important assets. Your customers and subscribers have agreed to receive emails from you. That is to say, you're providing them with something they requested. You're creating relationships with them that will last a lifetime. The response is completely predictable. Because email marketing is highly targeted, it is less expensive and more effective than print, television, or radio. Anyone who comes to your site and signs up for your emailing list is a hot lead, and there's no better tool for following up with those prospects than email. Number 7. Boost your earnings through back-end sales and upselling. The growth of each customer's lifetime value is one of the most essential internet marketing tactics. If you follow up with consumers who have previously purchased from you, at least 36% of them will do so again. Closing the first sale is by far the most challenging and costly aspect of the process. So, to convince them to buy again, use back-end selling and upselling. Offer things that go hand in hand with their first buy. Send them a loyalty coupons that they can use on their next visit. After they've made a purchase, offer them similar products on your thank you page. Customers will become even more loyal if you reward them for their loyalty. Since you've made it this far and you're still here, I'd like to share with you an additional gift. Online business ideas that require very little to no investment. Number 1. Blogging. People have been making a living off of blogs for more than 2 decades, mostly by providing free, actionable, entertaining, interesting, and instructional content on a range of topics to their audience. Bloggers can monetize their material in a variety of methods, including, but not limited to, giving their audience different products or services, finding private advertisers, and placing pay-per-click adverts. Number 2. Ghostwriting. Many bloggers and internet marketers are too preoccupied with other aspects of their businesses to devote time to writing blog entries for their websites. As you may be aware, writing is only one aspect of establishing a successful online business. There are other duties that require your full focus. Experienced webmasters, on the other hand, are aware of the benefits of content marketing and recognize that they cannot completely abandon it. The busiest marketers are constantly on the lookout for skilled writers to ghostwrite for them. As a ghostwriter, your duty is to consistently provide high-quality content to the marketer, which he will eventually publish on his blog under his own name. Number 3. SEO consulting. Today, Google still accounts for a lot of website traffic. People cannot overlook the significance of search engines. As a result, search engine optimization is a vital and in-demand talent that anyone may possess. Learning enough SEO to start delivering it as a service to others usually takes 4 to 6 months. You can eventually start your own SEO firm. It may seem impossible, but all you need is access to the internet and the desire to learn how to become an SEO master. Number 4. Amazon Associates. Amazon, like affiliate marketing, has a lucrative commission program in which publishers may make a lot of money simply by introducing users to their website. You simply need to create a website and join the Amazon Associates program, where you will be rating individual products in your selected category. If a consumer clicks on one of your affiliate links and makes a purchase on Amazon, you'll get a small commission. The fee is rather little, which is why most marketers dislike the Amazon Associates program. Yet, given their consistently high conversion rates, many are still generating a substantial profit from the program. Number 5. Virtual assistant. Marketers typically want to assign critical but time-consuming activities to skilled hands since there are so many of them. A virtual assistant can help you with this: travel reservations, social media marketing, creating connections, calendar management, email administration, blog creation, audio and video editing. It is your responsibility as a virtual assistant to handle some or all of these activities based on your individual specialties. Number 6. Online course or membership site. Creating and selling online courses is a great method to earn money while you sleep. You only need to create a video tutorial in which you teach others about a subject you are knowledgeable about. Then, either on your own blog or an online course provider like Udemy, so you can publish it. Even though it's one of the most difficult ways to make money online, if you can develop a popular, useful, and interesting video instruction, you'll be able to profit from it for a long time. To start your online course, think of a suitable topic that you are familiar with and can easily teach someone from the start. List building, bid manufacturing, mobile app development, web development, dog training, and so on are all possibilities. The next step is to download a video editing tool like Camtasia, which makes creating professional-looking videos simple. Then all you have to do is put it somewhere and advertise it. Here are a few more platforms that provide free plans and will assist you in hosting your videos and content: Thinkific, Teachable, and Yuka.